What's up guys, my name's Cam, you're watching Sarai Garage, and today I'm going to teach you what the size is for the rear license plate bolts or screws on any Toyota. Today we're going to be working on my grandpa's 2013 Toyota Camry XLE Hybrid, but this has been the same for many years and is still the same size that they use today. So real quick, very short video, this is the size you're going to be looking for. This is from Home Depot. These are $125 a piece. It's going to be a size M6, a metric 6 diameter with a 1mm pitch. That's the distance between the threads, and the total length of the screw is going to be 20 millimeters. Okay, I'll put a picture of this at the end, but this is what you need. $125 at Home Depot. You're going to need two, and it's going to cost you $2.50. All right. All right, links for everything will be down in the description box down below. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up. And that's it. I'll see you guys next video. Take care. See ya. Bye.
Got a ticket to nowhere. Come and fly away with me tonight. Can you stay to the